Hello and welcome to the in-depth series section of Drishti IAS. I am Aisha Singh and in today's video we will be discussing about the National Medical Commission logo controversy. So recently the National Medical Commission, a change has been drawn in the logo of the NMC and that change has brought opposition from the doctors. So let's see what is it and why is doctors opposing the change in the logo of the NMC. So first we'll be looking at the news, then why doctors are opposing the change, then about the Dhanvantri, then similar protests from doctors in earlier phases, then what is National Medical Commission, that is NMC, and in the end prelims MCQ. So the news talks about NMC logo. Why are doctors protesting now if it always had Dhanvantri's image? So what has recently happened is, I'll just show you. Okay. So there are two logo of NMC. This is the earlier one and this is the recent one after the change. So what has happened? NMC is the National Medical Commission. So every body has its own logo. So does NMC has its own. So this is the earlier one and this is the recent one. So two changes have been brought with respect to the earlier ones. So first of all, the image in between which you are able to see, which is in black, has now been made colorful, and instead of India, now what has been written on the logo is Bharat. So these are the two changes. Now why is there opposition with respect to these changes? Let's see. So the logo of the National Medical Commission has a colorful image of physician god known as Dhanvantri in the center, and this has drawn criticism from the community of doctors, and according to the Indian Medical Association, they are urging the apex medical education regulator to take corrective steps. So what has happened is, so this image in between is of Dhanvantri, and Dhanvantri is considered to be the god of medicine or the god of Ayurveda. So this image, which was earlier black in color of Dhanvantri, has now been made colorful. So this change of image, the change of color of image, is what has drawn opposition from the doctors. So what about the change? According to the National Medical Commission, image of Dhanvantri has always been a part of its logo. So it is not that the image of Dhanvantri has been added recently. Earlier also the image of Dhanvantri was there and now also it is there. The only difference is that earlier it was black and it was not very visible, but now it has been made colorful and it is very much visible to people. And the second change is, instead of India, Bharat is written. So new logo colorizes the image, as I just show you, and is replacing the word India with Bharat. So these are the two changes. Now why doctors are opposing? So according to the Indian Medical Association, it is saying that it is going against the fundamental values of doctors. This is what the Indian Medical Association is saying, and it is also saying that the doctors take an oath to treat everyone irrespective of their caste, class or religion, as it might showcase that the doctors are following certain religion and are in favor of certain religion. And then why then should the logo of an institute that governs training of doctors have a religious connection? This is also a point which has been raised, that the logo of Dhanvantri might depict that the doctors community belong to a certain religious connection, or they might be in favor of a certain religious connection. Then they want to adopt a logo which does not contradict the oath and duty of doctors towards all our citizens with complete neutrality. So doctors, as it is considered to be such a pure profession, it should be impartial, it should be neutral, and it should not be associated with any kind of caste, creed or religion. Then what the coloring of the image of Dhanvantri might depict that the doctors has a certain kind of religious connection. So this is one of the primary and the foremost reason that why the doctors are opposing it. Now about Dhanvantri. So Dhanvantri is considered to be the god of Ayurveda and medicine in India, and that is why it was considered appropriate and apt to have the image of Dhanvantri on the National Medical Commission logo. Even though earlier also the image was there, but now the image has been colored, and it is an appropriate addition to the logo for a medical body. While the present logo which the doctors follow has been taken from the Greek mythology and has been named as Caduceus, and which is a shaft, and there are two serpents which are surrounding the shaft. But this logo is not taken from Indian mythology, it has been taken from the Greek mythology. So why don't we take a logo which is and which depicts Indian mythology? Then why can't we use symbols from our own mythology? Very obvious question. And Dhanvantri has always been part of the logo. It is not that for the very first time the logo of the Dhanvantri has been added or the image of the Dhanvantri has been added. It was there in earlier logo and now it is there in the present logo also. And the old logo was adopted only in 2022. So it is not that the old logo is also very old. So 2022 and now in the year 2023, the end of 2023, the change has been made. Then similar protest from doctors in earlier phases has also taken place, and one of the example is that the protest from doctors could be seen when the National Medical Commission introduced the Charak Shapath. Charak Shapath as part of undergraduate medical training last year. So this was also the time when the opposition from doctors was seen. And then there was another case where the opposition from doctors could be observed was the mandatory inclusion of yoga as part of medical curriculum last year. Mandatory inclusion of yoga. So these are few of the instances in the recent past. You can say within 1 or 2 years this protest was seen from doctors. Now about National Medical Commission, that is NMC. So it is constituted by an act of parliament known as National Medical Commission Act 2019. So you can say that NMC is a statutory body as it is formed by an act. And it is India's top regulator of medical education and practice. Top regulator. So when we talk about the medical education and practice in India, so NMC is the topmost regulator. It means it is the NMC which regulates the education and practice of medicine in India. Then it is committed to upholding the highest standards in the healthcare education, and it also ensures the delivery of quality medical education and training across the nation. So overall, if we talk about the sector of medicine, then NMC plays a primary role in it. It also regulates it, it also looks into the training aspect, it also looks into the practice aspect. Now, in the end, a prelims MCQ, and you people need to tell me the answer in the comment section. And it says, consider the following statements regarding the National Medical Commission. First is NMC is a statutory body, we have discussed. Second, NMC replaced the Erstwhile Medical Council of India. I think you should be able to answer this one because this was very much in news. So you have to talk about the correct statements. 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. So give me the answer in the comment section. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading and keep writing.